How to unbox and assemble your Kamado Joe grill. Ready for some incredible grilling? Let's get your Kamado Joe unpacked and assembled. Start by cutting the straps. Remove the wooden top and cardboard frame. Then lift off the cart ring. Inside, you'll find the owner's manual, grill gripper, and the Divide and Conquer flexible cooking system with AMP Firebox stainless steel ring. Set all that aside and remove styrofoam to access heat deflectors. Now, keep unpacking to find the AMP Firebox panels. If you're unpacking a standalone model, the feet will be here too. Remove each panel carefully. Okay, now lift out the AMP Firebox base and then remove the slide-out ash drawer. It's time to remove the grill from the box. You'll need to be sure you have help lifting the grill. If you need to, use gloves or a rag when lifting the grill from the ash drawer opening. Next up, take the cart base out of the box and place the cart ring on top. Secure the ring to the cart base with the 4 screws provided. Place the grill in the cart, making sure you center the bottom vent between the 2 cart legs. All right, halfway done. Now you're ready to assemble the internal components. As you install the slide-out ash drawer, line up the handle with the lower vent opening. Then install the firebox, making sure the opening lines up with the ash drawer handle. Set the fire grate on the base, ribbed side down. It's time to build the AMP Firebox. Place each panel on top of the base. Then pull toward the center to secure each piece under the stainless steel ring. You can use the holes in the AMP Firebox to pull each panel inward. Install the Divide and Conquer flexible cooking system. Finish up by installing the control tower top vent. Don't forget to remove the tape. You can register your grill online at KamadoJoe.com using the serial number on page 27 of the owner's manual. And that's it. You're ready to fire it up.